Wagwan KK Squad, it's your girl Curly Krissy. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, you guys already know what this video is about. Aussie, Aussie, Aussie everywhere. Aussie, Aussie, Aussie. More Aussie products and more Aussie products. So you guys already know this review is gonna be a good one. Your girl love her Aussie products. Alright, so don't mind me looking a little crazy. I literally just woke up like 30 minutes ago and decided to do this video. My hair is a mess, but I want you guys to see how dry my hair looks before I use these products and how well these products work for my low porosity hair. As you guys know, I have a whole video on the shampoo, conditioner, and the leave-in conditioner on my YouTube channel. I'm gonna leave the link for that video right up here. So that's a whole video, very detailed, telling you 100% how I feel about these hair products, and you guys will see for yourself how well it works for my hair. But in this video, I'm also gonna be using these products for you guys to see. I'm also going to be leaving the link to that video in my description box and also in the comment section. First, I have the AUSSIE Miracle Moist Shampoo with avocado and Australian jojoba oil. Usually I get the small bottles, but this time, for the first time, I decided to get the 900 milliliter. Big bottle also. And as big as you see these bottles, it is so cheap. Well, for me, this is cheap comparing to the other shampoo and conditioners that I use. I paid $11.99 for both. This size. The smaller size, I paid $2.99. And trust me, it is worth every penny. Also, in that video, I shared with you guys full detailed video on how I use this deep conditioner. Everything I showed on camera, how I applied to my hair, how it worked for my hair. You saw the difference when my hair was dry and brittle to when I used this deep conditioner. It's the AUSSIE 3-Minute Miracle Moist Deep Conditioner with avocado and Australian jojoba oil. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys how dry my hair looks, and you guys are gonna see the difference when I use these products. Be right back. Alright, KK Squad, so I'm back. Just got done washing and deep conditioning my hair. The shrinkage is real, but yo, I wish you guys could just feel my hair right now. Right now, I'm gonna get into styling my hair. I couldn't fit everything in one video where I wash my hair, and that would be like, I would have to split both videos with wash day and also styling the hair. So this video is mainly about me doing my flat twist using just Aussie products. So yeah, let's just get right into styling my hair. So to style my hair and do my flat twists, first I'm gonna be using the AUSSIE Miracle Curls Leave-In Detangling Milk. This one is mixed with coconut and Australian jojoba oil. Very small. I wasn't expecting it to be this small, but oh well. Also, I'm gonna be using the AUSSIE Miracle Moist Intense Hydration Oil with avocado and Australian jojoba oil. So these two anyways, so it's gonna be my first time using both products. So while using the products, I'm gonna keep you guys updated and let you guys know how well these products work for my hair. First, I'm gonna part my hair in half. I'm gonna use the leave-in detangling milk and the intense hydrating oil to detangle my hair and also for styling products. First, I'm gonna spritz my hair with a little bit of water. Wow. Wow. Like, the tangle is it's gone. I didn't even comb the hair out. Listen, Aussie, I'm sorry. I'm not just saying, but like I can already feel a difference with my hair without even using a comb. That's crazy. I'm not over exaggerating right now. I am being so serious. Smell so good. Like, wow. Look, my finger is just slipping through the hair. Look at the difference. Wow. Because I had the braids and I haven't combed my hair out since I took my braids out. During my wash process, I usually detangle my hair, but I wanted to try this milk, leave-in detangling milk, to see how well it works without combing out my hair at all. And let's just keep going to see how this really works. Oh, there we go. The smell of these products are amazing. I feel like because I have low porosity hair, these moisturizing hair products just work really well for my hair, because products with protein tends to not work the best for my hair, but these moisturizing products, I have no complaint, none. I don't usually use this comb to detangle my hair, but since my hair is like, let's see, look, see, it's simple, easy, that's it. By the way, this is my first time doing flat twist on my natural hair. First time. So hopefully this result is bomb. Hopefully I get a good result. So as you can see, I am finished with the front, and now I'm gonna start on the back. Just gonna leave it to dry overnight, and then you see the final result. What's up, KK Squad? So it's the next day. Hopefully it's dry. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use the AUSSIE Miracle Moist Intense Hydration Oil that I used the day before to do my twist. I'm just gonna go ahead and oil just to unravel the twist to avoid frizz. Please let it dry, let it dry. Just hopefully it's dry.
Yeah, she did.
I mean, you're still.
I mean, it's wet, but you don't think that way.
So yesterday, while unraveling my twist, my flat twist, I stopped the camera because I was like, nah, this is not the result I was looking for. Meanwhile, my hair was still wet because I have low porosity hair, so my hair takes a while to dry. So it was like wet while unraveling it yesterday, and I was like, nope, I am not uploading this video. This is a fail. But then I thought about it and I was like, why not just come back and explain what happened? Because the products really worked well for my hair. It's just that my hair wasn't dry for the hairstyle to, you know, look the way I wanted it to look. So the products worked really well for my hair. I really love that leave-in detangling milk. It's everything. I can still smell it. I can still like feel my hair feeling soft and moisturized. The hydration oil works really well for my hair. I give both of them thumbs up. I recommend those products. I recommend all the AUSSIE products that I use in this video. My hair didn't come out the way I wanted it to look, but I still had to come on here and give my honest review. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to hit that bell so you can be notified when I post videos, and also please remember to subscribe. Also make that thumbs up blue, that like button, make it blue, and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.